Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kings Amalego and I welcome you all to To Make Sense YouTube channel. Please make sure to subscribe for more updates. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to use Ahrefs tool, keyword tool, for absolutely free of cost. So first of all, what is Ahrefs? This is the home page. Let me take you to the home page. This is the home page. And on the home page, there is no way you can use it for free. You can start a trial, but the trial costs approximately I think it's the trial costs $7 for 7 days. So there is no way you can use it for free. But today, guess what? Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way you can use Ahrefs, ahrefs.com, absolutely free of charge. You don't need to pay anything. You can be using it as a new blogger. You can be using it temporarily until you can afford the premium version. All right, so guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, please, okay, for more juicy content. Okay, this is it. Go to ahrefs.com/media dash kits, right? Then you click enter button. Then it should bring out the logos and some of the, I think there is a promo tool and stuff like that. Let's see. Sorry for my slow network. All right, so you should be bringing up the logos and media rounds, some of the insiders pictures, like probably the workers, the conference. Here you go, look at it in there. It's downloadable, but you have to disregard all of this. But the tool we find is here. So what you have to do, just scroll down. Yay! You see there? You can check backlink free of charge. You can check broken link free. You can check website authority. You can generate keywords. Okay, you can generate a YouTube keyword. It is free of charge. You can generate Amazon keyword tool for free of charge. You see, all these tools are absolutely free of charge. You don't need to pay nothing. You don't need to pay any money. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to you don't need your credit card for this. So let's do this. Let's use this as an example. This we finna use this keyword generator, right? Okay, let's get it. So let's say what keyword am I going to search now? Okay, let's search for how to no idea, but let's just, I'll just start I'll just start a blog. You click on you select the region you want. You can select different regions, almost worldwide. It's almost worldwide. See, then you selected Google. I selected Google. Then I want to make a Google search. Then you click on find keywords. It should bring out a captcha. Alright, and you click on it. Select fire extinguishers. Click on verify. Hope it's correct. Okay, then you wait for it to load. Keyword verify. You see, look at when it was updated. I will start a blog. I will start a blog free. So guys, this is it. You can use all the tools there absolutely free of charge, and a lot of people don't know about this, so that is why I decided to share this tool for free to you guys, my subscribers. You can check, look at the YouTube keyword tool. You know, all these things are absolutely free of charge. Okay, sorry, blog. You can select wherever country you want to target, then you click on find keywords. Then click on find keywords, should bring out the capture button. Then you click on the capture button, then fill it out. Traffic lights. I'm not sure if this is correct. Okay. Wow. You click on verify. Then you wait for the keyword IDs. You see how to start a blog, how about 4.9k search volumes, and how to start a blog and make money, have about 600 keyword search volumes. So this is absolutely free of charge. It is absolutely free. You don't need to sign up, don't need to do anything. Just use it free of charge. But guys, please don't misuse this tool. And if you want to share this tool from my channel, please give me a credit or a link back to my channel on my website. We don't tolerate any form of copyright in this channel. Alright, so guys, enjoy this tool. Remember, it is ahrefs.com/media. Look at it. Hope you can see /media-kits. Then you click enter. Then you should bring out the Ahrefs logo and the inside out pictures and conferences. Then you go down. You see so many tools. It is absolutely free of charge. You can use ahrefs.com absolutely free. Alright, so thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated and give you more updates. Alright.